Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Chucky. So I'm like a pretty Chucky. So this is for all my girlies or guys who wants to be a pretty Chucky. It's pretty simple and everyone's gonna know who you are. I didn't put on the overalls. I do actually have a pair of overalls, but they are really ugly and I don't know why I've ever worn them. I totally regret any time I wore those overalls. So this is the Chucky look with the little scars. I think it came out pretty good. It's fairly simple. So if you want to see how I got it, then please keep watching. Alright, so I started out with just my foundation. My skin is peeling, like, everywhere. It's not cute. It's not cute at all. But we're gonna have to deal with it because it's my face. Honestly, I already look like him. Alrighty, friends. So I'm just gonna start in with the eyes because eye makeup is easy. And I'm gonna make this kind of pretty. Like I've seen like girls do full on cut creases, but we're not gonna make it that pretty. Like I still want it to look not the best. So I'm just gonna take a red eyeshadow. I'm using Life's a Drag palette. I'm using this shade right here, Snatched. And I'm just gonna start working that into my crease. You can go ahead and do like a super glam version of this, but I don't feel like doing that. I feel like I love Halloween looks that are a little bit not done, if that makes any sense. Because I feel like that adds a little scare factor. So basically what we're creating is like this eye, but not really. Because we're trying to be pretty. But also, yeah. But also no. Just like that, and leaving the lid space open. And then on the other eye, I'm just gonna take this in the outer corner and buff it out just a little bit, just like a mini version of what we just did. And then with my finger, I'm gonna take the shade Naked and put that on my lid. Doing the same thing on this side, but again, very minimal on this side in comparison. So I was going to put like concealer all through my brows, but I'm not really sure because I am going to be putting a wig that has bangs on it. And for now, we'll just start doing the scars. The scar coming from his eye. So I'm just taking a lip line. You know, I'm being a fake fan right now because I've never seen Chucky in my life. I learned that I'm actually not scared of scary movies, but I learned that quite recently. I didn't know this before. Like, I just never watched them because I was like, I'm definitely gonna be scared. I was not scared. That's all the scars I see on his face. Obviously, like, this one is like all gouged out, but take the shade Trade, which is right here. It's kind of like a dark brownish, and I'm gonna go over. So actually for this eye, I'm gonna take that same shade Trade, and I'm just gonna do my whole lower lash line, but closer than this eye, of course. I'm gonna go and I'm just gonna bring it up as a wing on the outer corner. The way that you get like that stapled look, because I believe that they're staples, let me see. Stapled or stitched look is by using a black, creating those stitches, and then going with a white to highlight just like the little curve of the stitch. So I'm just going to go ahead and go across my face and using this black eyeliner and doing the stitches. Okay, so now that that is done, you can go in with a white and highlight right on top, but I think I'm actually going to make some of them thicker because I realized that the thicker ones actually look a lot better. Also, I forgot to do this, but Chucky is scary and smiles at evil things. So I'm just going to go ahead and take some of that red eyeshadow that we've been using and follow my lip line mascara and the little white dots to highlight, and I'll be back. Okay, so I ended up doing more than just mascara and the little white things. I went through my eyebrows with a little bit of a light shade of concealer, and then on top of that I went with this color, so it kind of is orangey. It's more orange than my natural eyebrows. My natural eyebrows are really dark, so this is the best that could happen without me doing like the full bleach brow. I went with some dark burgundy eyeliner in my waterline, super dark on this side and just a little bit on this side. And then I put lashes on top because I thought it would finish up the look. And now we're going to do my lips. LA Colors lip liner. I believe it's in the shade Hazelnut. It's very tiny. Okay, so I have my wig that I just threw behind me. Oh, but I just got it caught. I should wear it like this. Okay. So this is the completed look. Obviously, I would suggest to put on some overalls, and the look would be just basically complete. Obviously, if you want to get an actually good wig, do that. If you are one of the girlies who already wears wigs and has one, I would recommend that because this looks a little weird. It's pretty though. Like, it could look good. It's from Amazon. Well, everyone's gonna know who you are. All you need is a little knife. So yeah, this is the completed look. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.